Hi friends, so we just did a video about queen cages, doing a push queen cage, and we thought, it would be helpful if we did a tutorial on how to actually make one of those queen cages. So, to make it, take an 1/8 inch hardware cloth. It's not a 1/4 inch, it's too big. It's an 1/8 inch hardware cloth. Cut yourself a square, and be generous. Make a big square. It doesn't have to be a perfect square, it can be a rectangle. Normal kitchen scissors should work just fine for cutting it. Or if you have tin snips, those work well too. Then I would go 6 squares in from the edge and cut in 6 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're going to cut in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, now flip it. You can go clockwise or counterclockwise, but whichever way you go, just be consistent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, flipping it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like the grid paper in grade school. Can't go wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so now that you've got your grooves cut, you're going to take it and bend it right at that sixth square, like so. Flip it, do the same to all 4 sides, bending it at the 6th square. So, as you go, you'll see it leaves a little tab sticking out where you cut. You made your cutout. That's fine. We'll do something with that in a second. For now, just keep folding it. The 6th square. It's like origami. One more. Down. These are very simple to make. It doesn't make sense to buy your own. In fact, I don't know anybody who does buy their own. They're very straightforward. Alright, so now that we've bent in all the sides, you have your tabs sticking up. We're going to bend those in. You know what? There probably would have been there was a step before this that I skipped, so let's back up a second. Alright, I'm folding these out. Go ahead and fold in your tab at a 90-degree angle, so it looks like so, and then fold it in at the 6th square so you already have your tab folded in. Now, as you continue to go around, this tab is on the inside instead of the outside, and it makes just a lot cleaner cage, less spikes sticking out to catch on your clothing or your gloves. So I bent in the other tab. Now I'm going to bend it in again. Bent in that side, but fold down the tab. Fold down the side. Now the last one, you're not really going to be able to help that it's sticking out. So you just pull up that other side, squeeze it in, and boom. Bada bing, bada boom. So I just like to go around the edges and I like to crimp them a little bit to help make sure that these edges are nice and tight. Nice and square. I'm kind of type A. And there you go. It's a push cage. Set it on the frame, push it down into the frame. And that's how you make a queen cage, or a queen push cage, to be more exact.